This celebration cake only cost me $14.99. The marshmallow sweets and strawberries toppings I've added myself. A delicious cake from different flavors and designs to choose from that could feed over 50 people at any occasion at a rock bottom price, only at Costco and for its members. So guys, if you're looking for a cake for any occasion and you have 2 days to spare which will not break the bank, then head over to Costco. They have over 20 different theme cakes you can choose from. The colors, flavors and text can be changed. Now on the form it does state you have to wait for 48 hours from the time you made your order until you can collect your cake. So for this cake I went for a white sponge. The fillings were raspberry jam and vanilla. The icing was chocolate. For the decoration I went for the balloons, and I ticked 5 different colors for the balloon icing. Now coming down to seasonal, I didn't tick anything here as I left it as blank. On the inscription is your text you want on your cake, so I wrote down Eid Mubarak in block capitals as it states. Color of text, as you can see it's white on the cake, but there is no option here, so I wrote down white in brackets at the end. Pickup date will be after 48 hours, so you can collect this after the second day. Write your name here and your Costco membership number. Jot down the time you may arrive to pick up the cake and the telephone number just in case they may need to call you for any further information. Once you're happy with everything, then fold the form and slot it into the post box. As you can see here, cakes are normally stored in a chilled environment to keep it cool and fresh, ready to be collected. Back home, and here we have the cake that we have ordered. For $14.99 for this cake, you can't go wrong. So I decided to add more toppings to decorate the cake, making it look more appealing. So I got myself a bag of sweets and marshmallows, combined them both on a toothpick, and I just placed them in a line at the top, making sure they are secure. Let's see if the top lid affects the decorations. Nope, it doesn't. Okay, let's carry on. So we have the sweet line completed. Now over to the strawberries. Now you can use any sliced fruit you like. You can add more toppings if you wish, or fresh cream. It's your cake, so if you wish to decorate it further, you can do. Do note that if you are going to place fruit slices, once you're done, slot the cake in the fridge, as this will stop the release of the water from the fruits drizzling on the cake. Remember, all is best to serve chilled. So once you're happy with everything guys, it's time to serve. As I mentioned before, this cake will feed over 50 people depending upon the size of your slice. And if you were planning to spend about £30 on one cake from another store, then why not buy yourself a Costco cake, and the remaining balance treat the family and friends with other cakes, cookies or desserts. Now that will keep everyone happy. Oh, and the plain cake costs only $13.99. And trust me, if you can apply the right toppings and decorations on top, you got yourself a wedding cake. I'll catch you in the next one guys. Peace.